In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change to card view in Smartsheet and use it effectively to manage your work visually. Card view is perfect if you like a Kanban-style layout, where you can drag and drop tasks, organize work by status, and quickly see progress at a glance. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or collaborating with a team, card view can make Smartsheet much easier to use. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Once you're logged in, go to the sheet where you want to change the view. This can be an existing project sheet or a brand new one. When the sheet opens, you'll usually see it in the default grid or table view, where all your data is displayed in rows and columns. At the top of the sheet interface, look for the View options. You'll see different ways to view your data, including table or grid view. Go ahead and click on the table option if you're not already there, just to make sure you're starting from the standard layout. Now, to switch to card view, look again at the View options and click on Card. As soon as you do this, Smartsheet will transform your sheet into card view. Your rows will now appear as cards, and they'll be grouped into lanes based on a specific column, such as status, priority, or another drop-down or symbol column in your sheet. Once you're in card view, one of the biggest advantages is that you can drag and drop cards. You can click on any card and move it from one lane to another. When you do this, Smartsheet automatically updates the underlying value in the sheet, like changing a task from in progress to complete. This makes updating your project incredibly fast and visual. Next, let's talk about adding lanes. If you want more categories or stages in your workflow, look for the Add Lane option in card view. Click on Add Lane, and Smartsheet will allow you to create a new lane based on your selected column. This is useful if your project grows and you need additional statuses or groupings. You can customize these lanes to match exactly how your team works. Finally, adding new tasks in card view is very simple. Look for the plus icon within a lane. Click on the plus button and you can quickly add a new card or task directly into that lane. You can then fill in details like task name, owner, due date, and any other columns linked to your sheet. This way, you never have to switch back to grid view just to add work. And that's how easy it is to change to card view in Smartsheet and start using it to manage your tasks visually. Card view is especially powerful for agile workflows, team collaboration, and keeping projects organized at a glance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.